quartz, you name it. Getting 4-inch. I already said that. Let me try again, sorry. So these will go in here about 1/4 inch. My walls should be square. Whoa, look at that. What happened? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, Matt. I don't have to get into all those details. Lauren, you gotta tell me that. Don't go walking on it. Come on, Lauren. Look over here. Okay. Oh, I gotta do glue. And then nail it. If we had nails. Ready? I'm not. What is that? How bad's that gonna look?
Never use a router one-handed.
And it's... There's a screw right there. Are you kidding me? Lauren, I need to go home. Wait a second, I am home. How the hell are you gonna make this video look good? What time do I have to leave here to get to Red Robin? Good thing I got a new thing of glue. Need lots and lots of glue, Lauren. Definitely didn't need this much. By the way, I don't know what that is. That's kind of weird. Do you know, Lauren? Do you know what it is? Maybe it's just a gap. Bold move, Matt. That looks better, right? I messed up. It's got no business being on my countertop. Wow, that's so thick. Oh, that sucks. That's okay. Hey, that's okay. Well, sometimes I gotta go feel it.
Yeah, there's a lot of dust.
Yep. This is what I'm gonna...
I don't know, like wiping it down with water, if it's a good thing or not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cloth. You don't have to clean anything, Mom. Okay, Lauren? Does that answer your question? Go with the pretty little lines of the grain. Be gentle. Be gentle with the grain. And you run your hand along it, you're gonna feel a bunch of... It's gonna be real rough. The grain raising, I don't know what that means, which just means that the wood fibers are swelling because of the... That's it, Lauren. Stop saying cool, Matt. Shut up.
Huh?
Nothing. You have plenty of pieces. Cut another one. Whoop. Oh, okay. Yours is in here. You can use this one, okay?
Oh.
This is what we're gonna do. Right here, this is what we're gonna paint.
Oh.
Okay, so you gotta sand it. You gotta sand it like this. There you go. Yeah. You gotta get it all nice and smooth. Good job. Does it feel smooth?
Yeah.
Feel it. Nice and smooth. All right.
And then what are we gonna paint?
We're gonna paint right after this. But first, okay, we're done with this, the sandpaper. I'll take that. And then look at this thing. It's like sticky, right? So you gotta clean.
Did it all around?
Oh yeah? Let me inspect.
Okay.
Let's see. It's fun cleaning. Yeah.
That's how I did it.
That's how you did it?
Yeah.
You did a good job. Whoa, 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 don't drop it.
Ready?
Okay, right just in the front. Okay.
I can see it's getting all right.
Yep. Don't get the cabinets. Good job.
Can I do this one
It's not gonna work as well as a foam brush.
as a foam?
Yep.
Can I have a turn?
Well,
Look what I'm doing in the paint.
no. Don't dip.
Why?